Alright, here's another part. So this is a chainsaw, electric one. I lost a video where I looked at the start of it, but that's the number. So this is a battery operated chainsaw. Another label right there. A mini battery operated chainsaw. Made in China. Yes, it is that. It's definitely not marked what it is. Comes in a nice generic no label case. So not exactly a lot of confidence inspiring piece of equipment here. So there it is. So there's the instructions I failed to read again. Once again, there's no real name on it. It's a power chainsaw. Now that really narrowed it down. So unless you can read Chinese, I can't. Or Japanese, whatever this is, Chinese. So there you go. It looks like one of those. So got spare parts. Chain available, I guess, if you ever break one. Probably never be able to find it in a million years. Give you safety gloves. I don't know you're wearing that crap either. Definitely don't wear those. Stupid glasses. So this is the unit. That's the battery we're using. So there was a video after this or before it, I posted showing it work. I guess this is a tool for getting the blade off. Oh, they give you an extra chain. Yeah, there you go. You get two for the cost of one. They give you 2 batteries and they give you 2 chains. There you go. They're thinking ahead. Just the charger here for charging the battery up. I'm sure you need these fancy tools for something. Don't know what. So anyway, this my trailer had a tree on top of it when I went to get it, so I used it. Didn't cut myself. Didn't break the chainsaw. I did overload it. Shut it down with too much heat. The duty cycle was not high enough for what I was doing. Of course, I was cutting a trunk that was 6 inches in diameter, and that's only 3 inches deep. So that might have something to do with it too. So anyway, it worked pretty good. I'm surprised. It actually worked halfway decent. So there you go. Got a safety button here. You got to press that to work it. Dangerous. There you go. Look at it. Dangerous. If you want to cut something here, and actually worked pretty good. So I'm shocked. There's no name on it though, so it's a brand X part. So I don't know. They're not proud enough to put their name on it, but it did work pretty good. So if you want to cut something that's like wood, it works. Oh, it's raining out here. So there's a trailer and a tree on the front. There's a whole tree over the whole top of this thing. So yeah, cuts like that. Except it cuts wood too. Anyway, it worked pretty good. I was surprised. So yeah, like I said, I don't know whose name it is. If I can figure a name out, I'll have an instruction. I'll put it in the info column, but it actually worked pretty good. So it was well worth it because that trailer was buried. I could not get it out without cutting the tree up. So I would have worked my butt off doing it, but I would have got it out eventually. But I'd had to hand break all the branches and pull it out. So anyway, this worked pretty good. So there's a video of me cutting it all up. So it actually did work. I was shocked. And once it cooled off, it came right back on again. So when it starts getting a little hot, shut it off. You're going to burn it up. So a little electric motor gets hot. So there you go. It worked pretty good. I was surprised. Okay, we're back. So we're going to test this saw out. We just happen to have a broken tree out of my trailer. So we're going to try this out and see how it works. So as long as that record button is going to record, it's recording. You got to hold this pin down to make it work. Yeah. That looks good so far. Perfect. Was that safe?
It looks pretty safe.
Uh-oh, I broke it. my cutting out piece. Looks so far. Dropped stuff on my head, so it must be good. Yeah. Perfect. Let's see. Oops. It kind of works. Stuck again. Doesn't have a lot of balls, but it cuts good. Until it sticks. Oh, spring loaded.
Safety
Smart.
flap. Safety flap.
I almost broke it. Okay, stand back. Come your way. Big tree. Trailing me or something. That's the problem. Yeah, once you stick it, you're stuck. Oh, I'm trying it too hard to break it. There we go. Yeah, it passed the test. It worked. Perfect. Is that too far? Yeah. Think it'll work?
It'll work.
It'll work? I don't think so. Probably cut that side. Maybe. I don't think so. inches deep. Might actually do it. Uh-oh. Now you did it. Ooh, it's hot. I think I overheated it. Or I broke it. Overheated it. That did it. Yeah, it's getting hot. Smell it?
Yeah, that's
Okay, over exceeded the lifespan. The duty cycle has been extended. So we'll see if we get one more cut out of it. There we go. All right, I'm happy. Good job, pretty good. You think they put a label on it so you know what brand it is, but yeah, so far it's working good, except for you gotta let it cool off after your, what, 10 minutes?
about that.
Yeah, there you go. Good to go.
You're set.